Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Taco Bell's Copycat Crunchwrap Supreme. I honestly don't remember the last time I had Taco Bell, but I kept seeing these Crunchwrap Supreme posts all over and thought I should give it a try. And boy, did my family love it. My son actually told me it was video worthy. So here you go, let's get started. Here I have some oil that's heated over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and brown 1 pound of lean ground beef. And I'm gonna use my spatula to break up the meat into small pieces. Honestly, I was a little hesitant to make these Crunchwraps, but I kept seeing them all over my social media feed, and boy, was I surprised on how easy it was to make and how delicious they came out. And yes, I will be making them again and again. Now I'm gonna stir in 1 packet of taco seasoning along with 1/3 cup of water. And I'm gonna continue to cook for about another minute or two. You could also use your own homemade taco seasoning mix, but for me, I just thought it was easier just to pick up a packet at the grocery store. This is the only cooking process of this whole recipe. Next, we're gonna just layer and fold and bring it back to the pan to heat it up, and that's about it. Here I have some burrito-sized tortillas, and I'm gonna lay 4 of them onto the counter. Also at the end, if you did enjoy this video and I have provided any type of value to you, if you could go ahead and subscribe and give me a like, I would appreciate it. Now I'm gonna divide up the ground beef and place them on top of the tortillas. I have to apologize that parts of this video did come out blurry, and I didn't realize it until the end. My hubby gifted me this camera a few months ago, and my tech skills out of 10 are a -2, so as you can see, I am still learning. And for the cheese layer, I am using jarred Salsa con Queso, and I'll leave the one I used in the link below. It is basically cheese dip, and I'm using Target's Good & Gather brand, and another one that I like is Tostitos. Also, don't forget to watch until the end to see my son's reaction to the taste test. Now I'm gonna layer over 4 crunchy tostada shells. These Crunchwraps really go well with Taco Bell's hot sauce, which you should be able to find at any grocery store. And another alternative is Trader Joe's organic spicy taco sauce, and I'll leave links to them below. Next, I'm gonna spread a couple tablespoons of sour cream over the tostada shells. These Crunchwraps are all about layering textures and flavors, which is why I think it makes it so good. I have 2 diced Roma tomatoes, and I'm gonna sprinkle them over the sour cream. My son requested no tomatoes on his, so I'm gonna leave his bare. You can also add some shredded lettuce, but I'm not a fan of adding lettuce to my tacos. I know these are not tacos, but for that reason, I left it out of this recipe. And lastly, I am sprinkling over 1 cup of Mexican shredded cheese. So because when we fold over our tortillas, there's a part that's gonna be bare, so we need to cover it up. You can either grab a burrito-sized tortilla, since I know you'll have extra in the package. And what I do is tear a section off and try to make it circular in shape, and it does not need to be perfect. Or you could take the easier route and use taco-sized tortillas, which is what I'm doing since I had extras in the fridge. To fold, we're gonna fold one side up, and then we're gonna work around in a circle, forming pleats. And at the end, it should look like this. I have a pan that I've heated over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna spray it with some non-stick cooking spray, and I'm gonna lay the Crunchwraps seam side down. I'm also gonna spray the top, and I'm gonna press down using my spatula. We're only gonna toast these up for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over, and if one side doesn't stick, just like mine, I'm just gonna use my spatula and press down, and that should do the trick. You just want this nice golden brown color, and it's nice and crunchy on the outside, and the cheese is melted on the inside. And I'm just gonna show you guys another flip to redeem myself. Hey, 3 out of 4 isn't bad. I can't wait to show you guys how it looks like on the inside. They came out so good. And really, this is just such a fun recipe to make, and everyone's happy. As always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below. All right, so yours has no tomatoes, right?
Yes! You're so funny.
Yeah. Cheers!
Cheers. I eat my finger.
Yummy? Oh, I forgot to put
Soy sauce.
soy sauce.
This is soy sauce.
Talk about hot sauce.
Hot sauce. I don't like soy sauce.
We're gonna have lunch for lunch and lunch for dinner.
Lunch for dinner, yes.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more simple and delicious recipes, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.